Hi everyone, thank you for stopping by my channel. Today I'll be showing you how to make coconut oil, especially in a large quantity like this. So if you are a beginner, if you want to learn, please sit back and learn. At this point, we've grinded our coconuts using an industrial machine. So we're going to be using our cheesecloth to sieve. But before that, I added water so as to make it easy for the cheesecloth to sieve it. You can see, so I'm already sieving out our milk, or using the cheesecloth to sieve out our milk, and this is the chaff. You can see it was thoroughly squeezed. It needs a lot of manpower to be able to get out all your milk in that chaff. Yes, so I just continued the process until it was complete. So I'm using a sieve to sieve for the second time so as to make sure that we do not have any chaff in the milk. So this is the milk. I'll be setting it aside for fermentation to take night for fermentation to take place over the night. Yes, I left it for one night, and this is the milk. Fermentation took place. Bear in mind that fermentation is part of what gives your coconut oil that sweet aroma. Regardless of the fact that coconut even has its own unique smell, fermentation is a very important process for coconut oil making process. Okay, so I have taken it to the pot, and it's cooking already. Please be mindful of this splash. It's very painful when it comes in contact with your skin. So I'll be scooping out all the oil. Remember, we're cooking on a low heat to prevent our pot from burning. So this is the oil I scooped out. I'll still be leaving it until I'm done with scooping out all the oil. You can see there is no longer oil there, but I'll not be discarding this. Guys, the secret of having more oil, remember, it lies in that cord you're seeing in that pot. So if you have been discarding your own, please stop. Don't discard it again. You can see I'm using a cheesecloth. It takes time, it takes energy, it takes a lot of patience to squeeze out that liquid you're seeing. We have the cord, we have the oil, water, we have our oil stuck in that liquid you're seeing. So as you can see, my pot got burnt, okay, but that is not going to stop us from having our oil. You can see that liquid. Our oil is there, water is there, cord is still there. So what are we going to do? We're going to take it back to the fire. So I added the ones I scooped out because I had some cord there. So I'll be putting it back into the pot to continue the cooking process. Yes, guys, coconut oil is very good for children, newborn babies. It's good for the hair. It's good for your skin. It's good for cooking. It's good for baking. The benefits of coconut oil cannot be overemphasized. Look at the face of that oil. This is 100% coconut oil. No additives, no preservative, no coloring, no aroma, artificial aroma, and all that. Everything you're seeing here is 100%, but it takes a lot of patience to be able to arrive at this point. So I'm still going to be cooking and cooking and cooking until that thing you're seeing in that pot, that cord, gets dried. Look at it, guys. It's dried. I've drained out all the oil there. I'm not going to be throwing it for where we are going to be using it for our scrub. This is 100% good for your body. Use this as a scrub. Even if you're not going to finish using it at once, get a container, put it into a container, and use it for your body, your dark knuckles, your nails, everywhere, your armpits. This is good for your body. I used mine for my body, and I took a bait. You needed to see the shiny skin. It's very okay for your body, so don't discard yours again. This is the oil, guys. So I'll be adding this. This is what I got from that dark cord you're seeing. So I'll be giving it a last sieving. That's the final sieving before we take it into the bottle. So you can see we still have some cord left under the plate or beneath the plate. So this is the bottle I'll be putting the oil inside. Yes. So with this video, I believe you can be able to make yours. Yes, so many people, they've learned from the first video I made. This is the second time I'm bringing this video here. In case you have interest to learn, please just sit back and learn how to make your own coconut oil. It doesn't take much. Instead of patronizing those ones that are not genuine, that are not just 100% coconut oil. Remember, original